Alright, so we are back with a little bit of an update on the slip roller. So I got these pieces cut and it was just some scrap that I had lying around, but it worked out. So I don't really need to fabricate that side of it, nor do I need to fabricate that side of it. I was working on a piece last night and just kind of didn't want to be out here all night, but this piece here will be the piece that slides up and down here, so you can adjust both sides. So it's coming along together pretty well. There is that piece that I machined, and that's just a press fit, which will be that bit that goes in here, that slides up and down inside that bit. These here got some, I think they're M12 I believe, with the couplers from Bunnings, highway robbery. Definitely felt like I got held up at knife point, and yeah, just stuff at Bunnings for some reason it's super expensive. I think 2 of those couplers was like almost $10 for 2, not including the bolts. So anyway, they're going to sit like that, and I'm going to have a different idea on how to raise both of them up and down with one lever, and it's just going to basically raise one piece up. But anyway, so we haven't done any welding today, just haven't been well enough. So it's a good kind of overview there on how it's going to sit.